Hello everyone, welcome to the Now Platform Washington D.C. release features. My name is Hannah Kirschner and I'm a solution consultant here at ServiceNow, specializing in our IT asset management solutions, and I'm going to be demonstrating and providing information on the enhancements to our cloud cost management solution with the Washington D.C. release. This presentation may contain forward-looking statements that reflect the current beliefs of ServiceNow and are based on current information available. These forward-looking statements should not be relied upon in making purchasing decisions. So there are a couple new features and enhancements with the Washington D.C. release of Cloud Cost Management that I'll be showcasing today. Cloud Cost Management can be purchased as a standalone SKU or with Software Asset Management Enterprise. The first new feature that I'll be showcasing today is Container Spend Management that specifically addresses the financial oversight and optimization of cloud-based Kubernetes services. This allows organizations to tackle the intricacies of contained spend, which can be difficult to track and allocate due to the shared resources nature of containers and the abstract level at which providers report expenses. The next new feature that I'll be showcasing is Shared Cost Allocation that focuses on identifying, downloading, and applying allocation policies to shared cloud resources used across business units, departments, or cost centers. So this is going to enable organizations to have more accurate and fair distribution of costs associated with shared cloud resources. The first feature we will be covering for the Washington D.C. release of Cloud Cost Management is Container Spend Management. This feature allows organizations to manage container costs with granular control and clarity. Container Spend Management incorporates the assignment of specific tags during those billing download processes, which facilitates the breakdown of Kubernetes spend. Tags are going to be utilized to identify and attribute costs effectively, with support for cost allocation tags across AWS, Azure, and GCP. Imagine harnessing the agility of Kubernetes without losing sight of the bottom line. That's exactly what the Container Spend Management feature enables. As companies increasingly adopt Kubernetes for their cloud workloads, managing those associated costs is going to become paramount. So our solution is going to demystify that container spend, offering clarity where there was once cloudiness. Before, businesses struggled with the allocation of Kubernetes spending due to the shared nature of resources and the high-level reporting from providers, but now companies can allocate these costs accurately and really ensure that each application's expenditure is transparent and accountable, leading to more strategic budgeting and spending within these cloud environments. I will now jump into the platform to demo the new Container Spend Management feature. Let me walk you through how Container Spend Management transforms the Kubernetes cost conundrum into a straightforward and manageable process. Here we can see the dashboard that breaks down costs by clusters and namespaces. Notice how you can tag resources effectively to track spend meticulously. With this granular data, allocating these costs to the right departments and projects is no longer a challenge. We can come over here and we can group by cluster name, namespace, and various tag categories. We can see actual costs or amortized costs, and we can also select various time ranges that we want to view, such as current month, or a time range such as 3, 6, 9, or 12 months. We can get a better picture of your results because we can come over here and search and select those different values through these additional filters, such as specific provider name, service account, region, etc. If we come down here to the bottom, this is where we can view that more specific details of cost per Kubernetes cluster and cost per Kubernetes namespace. Think of this Container Spend Management feature as your financial compass in the cloud-native world. It's not just about cost visibility, but it's about driving efficiency and accountability in your Kubernetes investments. With ServiceNow, you're not just adopting cutting-edge technology, but you're also optimizing it for your business's financial health. The second feature that is coming in the Washington D.C. release of Cloud Cost Management is Shared Cost Allocation that allows organizations to efficiently manage shared cloud expenses. Shared cost allocation was added to address the growing need for transparent and equitable allocation of shared cloud resource costs, really providing organizations with a clear and accountable method for distributing these costs among various departments and projects. This new feature is going to involve tagging shared cloud resources, downloading detailed billing information, defining these allocation policies, and then applying these policies to generate these reports. It provides in-depth analytics for both actual and amortized costs, and it's going to enable a comprehensive view of the shared cloud spending. Before, organizations often face challenges in fairly distributing the costs of shared cloud resources, leading to potential financial discrepancies. But now there's a clear policy-driven mechanism for cost allocation, enhancing financial clarity and equitable distribution of cloud expenses. I will now jump into the platform to demo the new shared cost allocation feature. Let me walk you through the new shared cost allocation feature, a game changer in managing shared cloud resources. In today's cloud environments, the challenge isn't just about managing costs, it's about accurately allocating them across various departments and projects. Our solution is going to bring that clarity and fairness to this complex scenario. We can come over here and we can group by specific provider, purchase option, region, service accounts, etc. We can also select between the cost type, whether that's actual costs or amortized costs. And then we're also able to sort your shared resources cost results by either current month or selecting a time range such as 3, 6, 9, or 12 months. Coming down here, this is where we can scroll and see that more detailed view of the direct costs as well as the shared costs of your cloud resources. We can also come over here, and this is where we can create, update, and view shared cost allocation policies based on tags to make sure we allocate costs appropriately and ensure that each department or project is charged fairly for its cloud resource usage. Here is going to be an example of a shared policy record with the detailed criteria required. Overall, this new feature is going to provide the transparency that is crucial for accurate financial reporting and efficient budget control. So this concludes the high-level overview of the new container spend management and shared cost allocation feature on the Now platform for the Washington D.C. release of Cloud Cost Management. A full list of additional features and fixes for our existing products can be found at our product documentation website at docs.servicenow.com. Thank you for listening, and don't forget to check out our other Washington, D.C. release session videos.